little explorers, great to see you again. I'm Carolan from the Macarthur Centre for Sustainable Living, and today we're going to make a great craft about dogs' ears. So this week we learned a little bit about different animals and their ears and the role that they play, and this time for craft we're going to be modelling it on a beagle's ear, just like we saw. Okay, so it's a really easy craft to do, and I'm going to show you a few different ways that we can use recycled things to make it. A couple of weeks ago we used some cardboard from an old cereal box. We're going to use some more of that rubbish that would normally go in our recycle bin. I've cut 2 strips of cardboard in about 4 centimetres width off the cardboard sheet, and what we're going to do first of all is just sticky tape 2 together so that it makes one long strip. So we sticky tape it. Just move that to the side. We sticky tape it in 2 places. We have to sticky tape the back here and turn it over to make it extra secure on the coloured side as well. We want the brown cardboard to be on the outside of the bin so that it looks a bit more brown coloured for our beagle. Okay. Now the best way to check if this is going to fit your child or for yourself is to go around your head. Okay, just like this, and put it on and just slide it along until it feels comfortable, and then carefully just take it off your head and keep hold of where that is and sticky tape again so that it is nice and secure. And don't forget the inside as well, because it can catch on hair and things like that. Okay, so now we have our circle or our crown that would sit onto our head. Now this has been fantastic for me to use for all different sort of animals and crafts. So if you didn't really want to make dog ears like we have here, you could actually use this as a basis for putting on elephant ears, kangaroo ears, or any sort of animal ears that you like. Some would stick up, some would flop down. So it depends what you really wanted to do. Now we have a stencil here that I've made. It'll be up on our Little Explorers Facebook page. I'll bring it a little bit closer for you, okay, so you can actually print that off, and it's a stencil. Now what I've printed onto is some old photocopying sheet, so I'm reusing my paper twice, and then I'll be cutting it out, colouring it in brown. But if you wanted a different sort of dog, it could be anything. It could even be a rainbow dog if that's what the kids really want to do. Okay, so I've cut out 2 ears here that it's been coloured in. Now this is just so easy. All we're going to do is put one ear on. Whoop, things are blowing again. We're going to put one ear on, sticky tape it on to the ring, and then turn it around a little bit, and we're going to place the other one on. Now we're only just putting it on at the top so that it has that flappy ability. Okay, so we just put it on the other side. You can have it exactly opposite, but I think wriggling it round to the front a little bit is nice because the kids can see it a little bit and they'll enjoy seeing the side of the ears near their face. Okay, and that's it. That's the craft done. And so now all they have to do is put it on, run around like crazy and pretend to be a dog. Or if you changed it to elephant ears, they can do that as well. Alright, so such an easy craft to do. I hope you enjoy it, and remember, with this sort of craft, try and use as many recycled materials as you can, and if it breaks or the kids get sick of it, guess what? It can go in the yellow bin, ready for a new life once again. Okay, well thank you very much for today. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.